What's good? What's good? What's good? I'm promoting stream real quick. My timer? Hold on. What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Just lost 2K with Nvidia 2 hours ago. Yeah, dude, market's been crazy. I lost one trade yesterday, and I made it. I won two. I won a band on Nvidia yesterday. What'd you say your stop loss at? TRADEGPT was still sleeping, I guess. Send me on Telegram the options contract. I'm gonna do a trade. I'm gonna do a trade right now. Were you in stream yesterday, Manuel? All right. Let's do this real quick. Let's do this first trade. Okay, so let's do this basic options trade prompt right now. I'm gonna say I'd like an in the money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. Did it hit your stop? And how much did you put on the trade? I'm about to do 10 grand on this trade. Long call for Nvidia at 160 for the 3rd of October. All right, fuck it. Let's do it. I don't know. Let's look at the video. Let's do it. Let's just do it. All right, hold on. Okay, we got 160. I'm going while we were right now. Nvidia October 3rd call at 160. What is coming in at? 1665. Yeah, this is perfect. I'm gonna load up. I'm gonna do let me see. 5 contracts. I'm gonna do 6 contracts. It comes out to like 9 grand. 9,600, I think, is what it's working on. I'm waiting for it to fill. All right, it's filled. All right, we just got in at 1658 on this Nvidia 160. I'll post my entry right now. We'll see what the vibe is. All right, hold on. We're in. I just placed this. I literally just placed this. All right, we filled. So we just filled. Hair looks like shit. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. It's looking crazy today. It's looking crazy today. All right. So we're in on this Nvidia 160. We got in at 11:23. So we just got in here. Alma at 9:26, 11:23 a.m. Eastern. Let's draw some lines. We'll put up at 177.50 for take profit. And then we're gonna do. We're gonna draw another line for stop loss right here. Is the hairstyle a meta to avoid people robbing you? Man, maybe I do need to get a haircut. I've been thinking about it. You guys see what I just placed right now? You guys see what I literally just did this. I just fulfilled this 160. TRADEGPT loves Nvidia, bro. I just placed this 160 at 1658. So it told me to get in at 1665. I filled it a little bit lower, and then I'm taking profit at 1832. I'm dropping this line for stop loss right now. All right, let's see what happens here. We're gonna go back and stop loss. I need to make these lines even. Hold up. All right, cool. This is our basic caveman shit. 1665. Johnny's in at 1665. What up, so-called Chic? All right. Let's check. Let's see what's rocking. I'm up $200 right now. I'm at 1690. Johnny, what are you at? What are you at, bro? What are you at? It all falls down. All falls down. I'm up 1.93% right now. I'm up 1.93% right now. From guys, remember I got in at 1658. It says 1690. Did you check HIMS today? $55 call from 5 cents to $2.65. Yeah, Joseph Foreman, you're the GOAT for that, bro. Like I said, I can't break my thing. Joseph, did you see the trade I just took? So I just placed this right now. I'm in this Nvidia 160 for the 3rd of October. I literally just placed this. Fresh Nvidia trade. 1.68%. Bang. All right, cool. Which broker do you use? I use Webull. It all falls down. All right, I'm up. What are you at, Johnny? Alma, you playing ball with me right now? This is redemption right here. I'm almost 3% right now. All falls down. I'm up 282 right now. 5 minutes looks constructive. You play the 175s on Nvidia? I asked TradeGPT what to do right now. It literally just gave me this. If you rewind stream, you can see the prompt I put in. It just gave me this. All falls down. I might trim here. I might. No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. I'm good. I'm good. So yeah, this came out to 9,948. I'm at 10,230 right now. I sing it. It's my song. Yeah, facts. Okay, look. At Alma Construction Manual. What time did you use TradeGPT? It actually matters because that's why I go on at 11 because this is following institutional order flow and that institutional order flow needs to settle. It's really unpredictable. Like it's like you don't have any crystal balls, bro. Like TradeGPT isn't a crystal ball, but what it does is can you wish my cousin Dixon my ass? Happy birthday. That was good. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Happy birthday, Dixon, my ass. Happy birthday, Dixon, my ass. I have him stuff right here. Yeah, him's crushed, bro. That was a great trade, Joseph. No, I do stock options in the stock market. I'm down to 2.23%. That's number two. That's number two. I'm trading Nvidia right now. It's a tech stock. Is Nvidia a tech stock, Joseph? I'm not sure. Yes, I know it's a tech stock. I know it's a tech stock. Relax. This is on 1 minute chart. Is that what you're asking? So I did I said I like in the money options. I literally just placed this. If you guys rewind the stream to the beginning, this is what I popped in the beginning. On a sick one. What up, M Balak? Energy is leading. You guys, I mean, who saw me place it? I just placed this right now. Hey, what's up with the footage from yesterday? It wasn't good. Send it to me. What? Okay. Okay, cool. It's like that in my hair? Yeah, alright, bet. Alright, bet. I filmed the ad yesterday. My hair was fucked up. Let's see what happens here. I'm only up 1% right now on the video. I'll post the update. Made 500 on the video. What were you doing? We had a manual was in here. I'm up 1% right now. Joseph, that's a good. No, it doesn't. It doesn't always. That's a really good question though. It doesn't always. It does not always. I mean, you have banks because it follows institutional order flow. I mean, I say that all the time, but you have like a really, really, really interesting time right now in tech. Like, I remember back when this was doing like this was it'll really call everything. Like, it used to be like a SPY and Q. Like, it used to just spit out SPY and Q trades, right? The last couple months have been all Nvidia. Like, I probably made a majority of my cash on Nvidia. Yeah, send it again. Still can't pronounce it. It still goes after the most liquid chains. Yeah, that's also valid as well. Yeah, it's weird. Do you see what's happening? My bad. I'm talking to one of my guys right now about some footage he's sending to me. Let's see what's going on. It's too late to be placing that trade, in my opinion. Yeah, we're gonna see what's going on. I'm not gonna break my. I'm not gonna break my my taboo here. There's not much movement in the market right now. I've had days where I don't make 1,000, but I still make a profit. Bro, only trades Nvidia. Bro, I'm only trading what TradeGPT tells me. Can't say Matt. Yeah, you're right. We'll let's redo it. Let's redo it today. I'll like slick back my hair. You see what I'm at? I'm barely at a profit now. I'm barely at a profit right now. Let's see what happens here. You've been trading for 2015. That's why Joseph doesn't like me. So I'm on TradeAlgo.com right now. What I can do here is pretty sick. While we watch Nvidia shit itself. Got to break it at least at 175.50. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm on TradeAlgo.com. What I can do here is I can scroll down and I can see like option flow settlement. I can see it's for the day it's bullish. I mean, this contract expires on the 3rd, so we'll see what happens. So we can go here, and I can look at this institutional order flow on the video, right? And then Trade Algo's AI, it reads these dark pool transactions, and it comes up with a sentiment for it, like based on what the price of the stock is doing. So I can go through and see, like guys, there's a reason why TradeGPT is suggesting Nvidia, right? I mean, at 1134, just 5 minutes ago, you have these $29 million dark pool prints. And the problem with dark pool prints is you can't see the direction of dark pools. Right, you can't see if it was a buy or a sell. You can't really see anything. You can just see that money's transacting on the stock through these private exchanges. So when you see this much volume in, there's no way to make a determination of what this is going to do. There's no way unless you have an artificial intelligence that scans through these institutional data pools. So let's see what happens here. Hold on. Oh, I just lost my lines. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Are you? I'm at a loss right now. Take profit. Stop. Okay, so all right. Yeah, let's see what happens here. How can you not see the direction of the dark pool? That's a really good question. I mean, dark pools, they're like this. It's not like a black box or anything, but what you can see is dark pool options trades. But when you have prints like coming in, like you don't know what direction it's going through. I'm not falling for that again. I'm not falling for that again, bro. So the way that Trade Algo works, like this is Trade Algo's main platform. So this is not TRADEGPT. This is Trade Algo. Trade Algo's main platform. What it does is it scans through these dark pool prints. It's gonna make a determination whether the stock is bullish or bearish. Yeah, I know, bro. I know it was an L. I don't want to talk about it. And then also we can see like live options that are coming in on the video, right? So if I go here, and these are like the call and put sentiments. So I can see like the flow sentiment. I can see like this is really useful stuff for a day trader. But I can go through here and I can take my expiration date down to, let's just do 11 days for next week. And then I can see there's an 81% call premium, right? And then what I'm looking at is the largest prints on are these largest options here. So you can see if it was at bid, order bid. Yeah, I'm in a call right now. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Unless we have $100 billion to affect the price of this stock on a Friday like today, we don't know what's gonna happen. I'm at literally $12 profit. I filled at 158. What did you fill at, Johnny? This is I'm using TradeGPT to find the trades, but the website I'm on is Trade Algo. TradeGPT told me to get in a put. Yeah, so I mean it's gonna change. What time did you ask for the put?
Yeah, what do you think of
Exactly, Joseph. But it's still very useful to have AI scanning through these transactions. You could agree on that. 1665. Yeah, so you're probably at a loss right now. I got in at 1658. Yeah. TradeGPT at open is really hit or miss. Like I said, it's like you need to wait for like there's always going to be so much action when the market opens that I like to wait for it to settle, and then I'm going off real time transactions. You do your own analysis. What kind of stuff are you guys asking TradeGPT? So I'm using TradeGPT by Trade Algo. This is not ChatGPT. I like to do for between like 10:30 and 11. That's where I've had the most success. That's why I started these streams at 11. What was your expiration on your TradeGPT puts? Done. You want to just send me a screenshot of the to my email of the prompt, or no? I mean the response they gave you. All right, here we go. Here we go, Johnny. Let's figure this out. Let's figure this out, Johnny. I'm back in the 1%. What up, Delete? Yeah, so both of these both of these are Trade Algo products. TradeGPT reads Trade Algo's order flow, and it like kind of just normalizes it, right? And then what I have here, guys, which is really, really cool, is on any stock, right? So I can go here, and then if you guys look, I'll make this a little bit smaller so we can see on stream. If we look right here, this is TradeGPT. Now, TradeGPT, like I can search any stock on TradeAlgo.com, and I can use TradeGPT like in combination with any stock that I go in and search, right? So if I pulled up HIMS, right, like when Joseph gave me a HIMS suggestion yesterday, I could go on HIMS and like ask for an exact trade to make, right? So I can ask TradeGPT to analyze either the charts. I can ask it to analyze by dark pool information, or I can just simply ask it to make all of those determining factors for me, like make all of those decisions for me, and give me the best trade to take. And that's like what I basically do with this prompt, right? So when I go in and I say I like an in the money options trade to make right now, give me the what's up, Phil from Northern Ireland. I say give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I say I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis and recommendation. What are you at right now, Johnny? Okay, got you. That's not bad at all. What was the trade you did on Q's, Don? 0% now. There you go. Let's see what happens. Probably back down. Probably back down. Let's see. How's everybody feeling though? What's good on this Friday morning? What do you guys got plans tonight? You guys got plans tonight? Any young guys in here? Gonna go out? Gonna do something fun? I might go to Catchy Shubi tonight. It's a club, and I might go with some pretty sick dudes. Like some tech people to Catchy Shubi. I have a promoter who always plugs me with like just a fat ass table, and then we'll usually bring like girls or whatever. So it'll be cool. We'll see what the vibe is tonight. I have a couple of people from Vegas. AMD 157 call for 72 cents. Let's see. Joseph, what kind of like screener do you have? That's like giving you, or like are you just watching all of like the entire market as a whole? So here's what I'm gonna do, Joseph. I'm gonna show you something. So this is me. I'm on TradeAlgo.com. I'm gonna like make this square. Hold on. Yeah. So this is TradeAlgo.com, right? So I'm on TradeAlgo. This is like I've made this small here, and what I'm here on AMD. So I can scroll down here. I'll move this out of the way. And I can go down and I can like look at these institutional prints, right? So I have an options chain and I can go to unusual activity and I can see all these dark pool prints coming in on AMD. right? Which is really, really helpful. But here's where it kind of brings it all together. Is I can press TradeGPT right here, and I can say something like what option did Joseph say? Let's just take this. Is the 157.5 call for 70.72 cents. Barney 11. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I'm capable of doing that. Right now, I would just go in and say like there's a lot of yaps. So I'm just gonna go in and say find me a options trade to buy right now on this stock. $165, October 17th. What up, Orvix? I don't know who I am. I'm just a guy using AI to trade every day. What do you think about this? Do you think this is too far out, my boy? Don sent me some emails. I'm gonna grab those right now. How good would trading advice be if you tell TradeGPT I don't know what in the video? Do you guys want to try that? You know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna say something outside of the Mag 7. So I'll go here. I'm gonna paste this prompt in, and I'm gonna paste this prompt, and I'm gonna say, no, I don't want anything in the Mag 7. It's barely up today. Barely up today. Barely up today. So far, Casey Thomas. And what I added here was I don't want anything in the Mag 7. So we have JPM. All right, I'll pop this guy in. 3rd of October. It just gave me this right now, so I'll go place this. Wait, what? I'm up $102. 1.03%. Let me see if I can pull up my. Yeah, $102. And now I'm up 1.33%. I'm gonna do this JP Morgan trade. Paper trade. Johnny, you're paper trading these, right? Let's go JPM. How far out? This is. Are you talking about the AMD? Or are you talking about this JP Morgan? This is. I literally just asked for this. I said something outside the Mag 7. 300 for the 3rd of October. I haven't even looked at the chart yet. 3rd of October at 17 for the. What is this? $300 strike. That's $17. If I do, I'm gonna do $5,000 on this, just 3 contracts. All right, I just filled this. Some kind of nuts. chain wasn't the strongest here, but it's okay. It's all good. Check the stop loss really quick. 1550. Bro, my lines aren't even straight. You posted a scalp trade on today's expiration for AMD. It costs 800 to make 500. It's not much movement today, boys. It's not much movement today. Check me out. Hold on. Let me see. You sent in my paul@tradealgo.com email, right? Yeah, you got you. These are Don's trades. These are mine. You know, for the city. Here you go. Good shit. Good shit. Looking good. Is this all today? My boy? Is this? Oh no, that's not all today. Okay, so let me get something straight. It says this was pre-market on here. What time zone are you in? Because that's strange that it told you pre-market. Or this is right now when you send this to me. Okay, got you. So you put this in. I'm guessing. Did you put that in like right at market open, like before the market open? I'm not gonna like I said, I'm not in a position to tell you what's right and what's wrong. Obviously, I will say I have the most success not trading pre-market with TradeGPT. It's like I said, there's no like crystal ball predictive software. Go low. You drop the thing down to the floor. Go low. Drop the thing down to the floor. Now, how far will you go? Let me see where I'm at on the video. I'm gonna post my update here. I'll post my update on JP Morgan also. Change around town with the big chain. I'm up. I'm barely up on the video right now, guys. I'm up 0.30%. First time I lose this much. I had 10 contracts. Did you follow stop loss manual? You're on my stream right now, I'm guessing. So about this party. Good thing. See you again. On your brain. Wouldn't the real thing, or is it just a one night stand? 840, yeah. You wouldn't push anything? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. You know, there's days like this. I'm very consistent with my streams, so I'm not gonna like not stream. I mean, there's days where it's not much movement. How far would you go? Blue cake special on the scene. What did you ask? What did you ask to get that prompt? $16.60. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, so you followed your stop. What'd you put on the trade? Here we go. Yeah, now Nvidia is starting to shit on me. No, there's not much movement. Alright. Be your man. It's on your brain. We hope it never would end. Thing, or is it just a one night stand? No, let me check my Nvidia. I think I just got stopped out on JP Morgan. No, I haven't yet. I might have drawn this line a little bit. I didn't draw this line well. Let me see here. Let me check my 1530. Wanna love me forever. I just moved my stop loss, guys, only because I initially had said it wrong. I know it did. And we together. Let's get it on. It's gone. Yes, JP Morgan trade. Watch, both of these are going to do well. I'm still going to get stopped out here on JP Morgan, but I'm going to get FOMO about it. I already know. I'm going to get stopped out, but I'm going to get FOMO. Do trivia or I turn it off. Bro, I'm trying to make $1,000.
That's official as fuck.
I might shoot for a break even. I'm aware of that. What up, James O'Sullivan? How you feeling, bro? Go get a job, nerd. I probably should go get a job. At today's rate, I probably should go get a job. No, I'm just playing. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna keep the stream going. I'm not gonna end stream anytime soon. I think it does. I think it does now. I think it's under limit. I think it's under stop. Set a stop limit. No, wait. I have to look. Let me see. Like I said, I haven't paper traded in a minute. I paper traded when I very first started trading, and I used Webull. Let me see. If I go to paper trade on Webull, let's go over some random stock. Go where I want. Good. Nah. No, there's not. There's not a take profit order on paper trading at least. Like I said, bro, if you're paper trading, like just try to have like scrape your knees as much as possible. Barely any movement here. It's over, buddy. Should I start changing my stream to when I lose $1,000, I hop off? Nah, I mean, we've had a great week this week, bro. If I get shit on a Friday, I'm not going to be too mad. What do you mean by we are in a blackout period for institutional buybacks, Joseph? What do you mean by that? Marcus Zuckerberg just said he'd rather misspend a couple of $100 billion than risk using the AI superintelligence race. You need to trade on AM session, not PM session. I'm using an artificial intelligence that reads institutional data, and the AM session is just a lot more chaotic. I've had less success. What's Microsoft doing? Well, I want AMD right now. Let's see what happens to JP Morgan. It edged my stop loss. Yeah, I agree, Joseph. I want to keep these streams simple, bro. Like I said, like I'm not a full-time trader. I know I see it's running, yeah. Let's see what happens here. I literally trust nothing. I don't trust shit these days. Why can't they? Joseph, why can't they repurchase this stock? Is like regulation? Yeah, it resisted with a fucking vengeance.
We take a black sheep approach. I like that a lot.
Michael Daly says we're going to take a black sheep approach. I don't even know what that means, Michael.
Be the black sheep. Follow crowd.
Is it over, Don? Is it over? See if I can at least not lose money on this. No, I'm down 1%. Oh man. Should I retire? Should I just go take my profits and go buy a little prairie somewhere in Alabama and just retire. Yeah, bro, there's not much movement. Like there's literally not much movement. There's not much movement, bro. Like there's just barely any movement. You know what I mean? Like I'm just sitting here getting I'm just sitting here like watching a fucking chart. Ryan, you came on the wrong day, bro. You made a lunchtime trade. I did. I mean, bro, I made a 11:30 trade. I'm using an AI that follows institutional data, right? So it's following institutional order flow, and I start the stream every day at the same time. And I don't. I mean, like I've been. This probably brings me down to like a 79% success rate if I get stopped out here, which is still really good. But I lost a trade yesterday and I lost a trade today, but I won a big trade yesterday. It really could shoot straight up, but I wouldn't know why. How you guys feeling though? How's your Friday going? Let's figure this out, man. If it break 175.70, it's done. Like, look at this, guys. We haven't done anything. Like, there's been nothing that's happened. Just extending these. I'm looking at a 1 minute. Just because it's more entertaining. $99 bottles, and they all. Oh my Louis. When I started living large, I was never in charge. Oh, Christmas time. It's my account size. It's like 280,000 right now. 280,000. Sorry, I know I mumbled that. A little bit of sadness in me. I've got some issues that no. Let me check. I'm checking my trades. That's why I'm on my phone right now. I'm checking my trades. The emotions are pouring out of me, going into the life of you. It's only right. This is the soundtrack to my life. Paranoid, like a sixth sense. I'm down 1%. It's like nothing's happening right now, bro. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I swing them. I swing them sometimes. It depends on like as long as it doesn't hit my stop loss. I'm just shooting for my take profit, and then obviously it does. I mean, these trades from TradeGPT are really tight, right? So I'm asking TradeGPT what to do, and these are tight trades. So I mean, 99% of the time it hits either the stop loss or the take profit. It usually hits take profit, right? I mean, it's not a big move. It's asking for me to grab at 1665, take profit at 1832. Track to my life. Tazer, yeah, let's see. Try about 1768. Donnie. Shoes that no. How's AMD doing? AMD's all right. See what happens here. How often do I stream? Every day. Every weekday. How often do you bloom? What does that mean, Georgie? What does that mean? Man, it's kind of dead, man. When the market's dead, I'm dead. Let's see where I'm at. I'm like, guys, like, my trade has gone from 3% profit to, like, I'm down 18 bucks, and I've got almost 10 grand on this shit. So, like, when it's on a day like this, bro, it's just boring. You know, I trade because it's fun, but on a day like this, it's just so boring. I'm like down 0.18%. Is it even worthy to trade? I heard 90% of losers lose all their money. Yeah, I mean, what's my top 3 anime? Good question. ITC has relative strength in tech right now. Joseph, do you read Dark Pool Prince? Like, how important would you say that is? 90% of traders do lose their money. Like, if you guys Google what percentage of American investors quit within the first 2 years, it's like 95%. I bet I'm at a tiny little profit now. Yep, I'm up $60, guys. I have enough now in here in Manhattan to pay for McDonald's with the $60. That's how expensive McDonald's is. Lots of lows and highs. Lots of lows and highs. There's no crystal ball, guys. But there is AI tools that work. I mean, you guys. I mean, if you've been in my stream for longer than a week now, you guys have seen. I mean, I'm genuinely profitable. It's going up. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it is. Top 3 anime. Let me think about this. One Piece is on that list for sure. Let's see. Come on, guys. Everyone put your hands up in the air. I'm at 1% now. TV mama, I'm gonna push it down. Joseph, have you used TradeGPT yet? You're pretty decorated about your opinion of TradeGPT yesterday, so I'm just curious if you've taken it for a spin or used it at all. Why are you disregarding my message? How often do you bloom? Bro, I told you, you still read that manga bullshit. Yes, I do. Ayo. I'm the shy. Hands up in the sky. Throw your hands up in the sky. Johnny, what are we doing, bro? Where are you at now? You should be at a profit, at least. Bro, you should let me show you Trade Algo. Johnny. Because I mean, that's what this whole program is. It's like using AI to analyze dark pool prints, which I mean hasn't been available since there's been data sources like this to connect these API endpoints to. Dude, as soon as it hits this take profit, I'm gonna go get a McGriddle. Up in the sky. Who's my lunchtime guy? I've not used it. I have my own system. Yeah, I mean, this would just add to your system, right? It would just like give you, I guess, right? You always have your own decision, but I want to show you how. I mean, we have guys that are just experienced as you. I mean, there's people that are white labeling the market catching a bid here. I just want to kind of like see how you would use the data flows on TradeAlgo.com, right? I would let you kind of like have me on my account and like kind of log in. I would want to see how you'd use this kind of stuff. Because you're a smart guy. Joseph has a lot more experience than me in trading, but I mean, I think the disconnect here between like me and experienced traders is this, and like that's why like their first reaction when they see me using this tool is like they'll be like, this isn't real, or I'm like they think I'm scamming or something like that. It's like I'm not this is not a traditional trading strategy whatsoever, right? This isn't me looking at liquidity sweeps. I'm not looking at session highs and lows. I'm not doing any of that, right? So when you have somebody like me and you stumble upon a page like this, right, and you have a ton of experience in trading, and you know you've built up a skill set in trading that is conducive to the amount of time that you've spent in front of a computer screen following charts and, you know, losing money, gaining discipline, other things like that. Your first reaction is obviously like this kid is like peddling something that doesn't work, right? But I mean, for me, where my experience comes in is just like for me, the hardest part for me was just letting my guard down and letting this artificial intelligence do what it's supposed to do. So that's it's like kind of like think about it, like I don't need to be a professional copywriter anymore to write, you know, copyright worthy or copy worthy emails for advertisements, right, or Instagram captions, other things like that. Right now, I have AI to do that for me, right? Because AI has the data sources to scan through, right? But does ChatGPT have the data sources for you to? Here we go, guys. Does ChatGPT have the data sources for you to make trades? No, it doesn't. I'm at $372. That's why I say, guys, sometimes we just gotta wait. So. Exactly. I think I got your Instagram comment. Here we go, guys. So like my suggestion is find something that works for you, right? You guys watch how I do this every single day. Like I literally do not change my strategy. I copy and paste a prompt in a TRADEGPT and then plug that trade into my brokerage. I do it every single day. And I don't switch it up. I draw my profit and stop loss line. I don't draw support and resistance lines. I literally do the most basic thing. I ask TRADEGPT for a trade, just like I did this morning. And then I paste it into my brokerage, right? And I put 10 or so grand on it. And I had a lot of money before I started trading. So it's not like I gained all of my wealth from trading. And when people see stuff like this who have dedicated years and years and years of trading, their first reaction is no, it doesn't work because I had to do this, this, and this to become a profitable trader. And you aren't entitled to success using such an easy system, right? And my invitation to you would be to let your guard down a little bit, first of all, and accept that there is systems in place that can do the research that a human mind can do, right? And sometimes it takes more discipline to do that than the latter, right? Because you have it ingrained in your system that trading is supposed to be a difficult. Can you change your prompt? Yeah, I can change the prompt. I have 100 different prompts. This is the prompt I use today. I use this prompt. I start every day with this prompt. I said, like, an in the money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I do not care what company it is. I do not want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make. How much would you charge to do a 1v1 lesson? I've got Cash App ready. How much should I charge for a Cash App ready lesson? Yeah, exactly, because of the... Yeah, I can totally understand that, Joseph. Where are we at? Let me check my video. Yeah, and like I said, right, there's no AI system that's going to be perfect, and that's precisely why I've lost. You guys watched me lose money on XLK yesterday. I'm literally doing nothing. Don't bust my head now. I'm trying to get out of here, out of a rut. I've been homeless in some more shit this year. I'm not busting your head, but big dog. It's just you can't do this kind of trading on Cash App. So you got to open a brokerage account like Robinhood or Webull or, you know, TD Charles Schwab, excuse me. I get an SSI. I'm trying to get like you. George says he's still homeless. Right. Like just like AI will, like ChatGPT will hallucinate. Like there's no perfect system, right? I mean, TradeGPT is a phenomenal product, but where the data is that TradeGPT is where the data comes from. TradeGPT is the phenomenal part, right? Trade Algo, right? It's not just like some small time company, right? If we Google search, guys, where does Trade Algo get their data from? One? Or you guys want to go now? I'm finishing up here. I'm got like 3.74% on Nvidia. I'm not finishing up any. I'll probably finish up like 30 minutes. Yeah. Where does TradeGPT? Where does Trade Algo get their data from? And then you can just go to Benzinga. That's like the easiest. It'll literally list out the data sources. Trade Algo is not owned by Benzinga. Obviously, that's what Google's AI is going to say, but because we're not. So Trade Algo, in their words, why you should use Trade Algo. So they have to verify all of this information, right? So 1.3 million listings that Trade Algo scans through from over 250 different data providers, right? So TradeGPT isn't just pulling from the internet; it's pulling from 250 different stock market data providers. So when you go through here and you look at them, right, the first thing ones you're going to see that are big ones are FactSet Research Systems, Bloomberg Terminal, Morningstar, Forbes data feeds, Goldman Sachs Analytics, and that's like the power here. Let's see. Oh, dude, JP Morgan cooked. I think I hit my take profit. Yeah, barely. I only made 135 bucks though. So I'm like exiting JP Morgan. I didn't do well. I didn't put that much on this trade. But this is JP Morgan right now. Do you guys remember the JP Morgan trade? So when someone asked me to do, Johnny, you said not Nvidia. So when I asked TradeGPT for JP Morgan, like I did this on stream, you guys can rewind. I said I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. I don't want anything in the Mag 7. That's what I added to this prompt. And it gave me this JP Morgan $300 long call at $17. So I filled at 16.58, and then it's at 17.02. 135 bucks. It's at 1870. Yeah. I set a pretty loose line because I didn't have that much faith in JP Morgan because I'm already pretty heavily invested in this Nvidia trade. But I will. I'll keep this going. I'm not gonna. I won't exit out. You made a good point. But I am gonna trim here. I just like I'm not happy with where the market's at today. And like as much as I love TradeGPT, it's like I can't just blindly. I mean I can. I do it every day. But let me kind of think. I do about 10 Gs. So I did 5,000. Yeah, I set aside more than 30%. I set aside like 45%. I'm in New York. I haven't withdrawn from my brokerage in a really long time. Assume everything goes to zero. You guys happy with the JP Morgan trade though? I'll move my take profit. I'll draw another take profit line. That's what. Look how close we got to the stop loss. How are we feeling about this, Don? How much cocaine am I on? I'm on 0 cocaine. I'm on a Red Bull and a coffee. And a heavy dose of Asperger's. I got 5% of the JP Morgan and exited. Good stuff, man. Sometimes, bro, that's what it's all about. Remember, though, Johnny, if you're starting with $100 and when you start trading, you got to be okay with making $5, right? But you got to think about what that does over 20 days. You have to think about what that does over a year, right? And that's the game you're playing when you start with such a small amount. Drop a like and a sub on the stream. Yeah, I'm in JP Morgan right now. I didn't exit out yet. I'm in JP Morgan. Even though I hit my take profit, I'm still in it. Like this is where me being a degenerate has a big part to play in all this. And like guys said, I'm not like some expert trader, right? I mean, like you guys, I get that enough from you guys, right? I know it myself. I'm just moving these lines. Exactly. Exactly. And Joseph, like that's like my job here when I go on these streams is to show you like somebody who has let their guard down enough to blindly follow, right? Because I mean, you see it and you tell me, I mean yourself, right, that I'm not a like the most intelligent investor, and I know it myself, right? I'm not like this genius, but that's where my advantage is I know that AI is going to do this better than me. Right? As somebody who hasn't been trading as long as you, who isn't you have a solid win rate. You do you, brother. Yeah, exactly. And like that's where my power is I do have a solid win rate doing this, and from somebody like yourself who's been in my stream the past few days, witnessing that, right? Like there's really isn't a reason for me to change this up, and and do anything indifferent. Let's see what happens here. You guys want to do a Kahoot game? Nah, we got some bad. We got some bad. Johnny, if you disagree with that, okay, what's the number two? Do you disagree with One Piece? So as for someone who has 200K to play with and not struggle as much. Yeah, I can understand that. I'm gonna hear what's up. I can understand that. Right, then it's about discipline, bro. Are you caught up, Johnny? No, so I'm not just watching candles here. I'm also looking at that Dark Pool Prince skip on the Trade Algo website. You don't have to learn emotion control while you trade and have discipline. I mean, guys, like trading isn't like a poor man's game, right? It's not like trading isn't like a game of like like you can become rich trading, obviously, but you guys got to look at the genuine facts and put yourself in the position of the average American who's starting with a small account size, right? Most people quit. Drop a like on the stream if you're in here. Drop a like and a sub. I appreciate that, Joseph. If yeah, I mean, I just yeah, I guess I must have misunderstood your messages yesterday. But like I said, bro, you like it's all good. You don't have to apologize or justify yourself. I mean, like I said, I'm not here to remove comments or like everyone's entitled to their own opinion, my boy.
There's a specific spot that I want you to look at. All right, when you get it up, I want you to write all the clients, big names that you work with.
Trading is PvP for the rich. Eh. Like I said, if you're starting with a small account size, like you have to be okay with gaining small amounts, right? I mean, there was a point in my life where I was broke too. When I was 20 years old, I'm 26 now, right? Have a 6-year plan, have a 5-year plan, instead of expecting this thing to go overnight for you. Try to message you on Instagram, but it's not working. Let me see, dude. What's wrong with my Instagram DMs? I'm still in JP Morgan right now. I'm up 3%.
What's the DAP tool 2023? Whatever.
I'm gonna move this. See if it hits it. I literally just blindly move that, guys. Don't take that as a real move. JP Morgan is cooking. Nvidia about to cook too. I don't know who that is. No, I trade stocks and options. This is Nvidia right now. You guys like the way that looks? I'm up 2%. And I'm up 195 on JP Morgan. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I do these streams because it's entertaining to trade aggressively with a lot of money, and I have the bankroll to do it. Can my trading style be applied to currency? You guys, my trading style is literally asking and blindly following TRADEGPT, right? So this JP Morgan trade was found by me saying I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. I don't want anything in the Mag 7. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I do not care what company it is. I do not want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make based on your best analysis and recommendation. And then it gave me this JP Morgan call. I made 195. And then the other trade, I've done 2 trades today, guys. So the other trade I did today, I do all these live. So you can rewind stream to the beginning of stream and watch me do these. I do about 5-10 grand. Benny Davis, I would not recommend this. Joseph, can you kind of give some justification on why you wouldn't recommend it? Because I don't do that either, right? I don't trade one year out. Nvidia, and it gave me Apple. Is Nvidia just expensive? Is the reason that's why you don't want Nvidia? I mean, because we've been crushing on Nvidia. What up, Gleech? No, clout. I don't think they know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Equal twice the size of the crib. I'm telling shit, it is what it is. Had to and did what I did. Gee, God forbid. Doing front flips. Don't hit me on no dumb shit. Like usual. What was the price? What was the premium on the Apple trade? And then I want to emphasize something. If that's literally the reason, just ask TradeGPT for a premium in the price range you want. JP Morgan, this is where I'm at right now, Donnie. Shit, too clutch. Yeah, now we're cooking, boys. Now we're cooking, boys. Yes, sir. It is cooking. Guys, TradeGPT is free. I want to emphasize that. TradeGPT is free. Like, this isn't me selling you guys something. Like, you guys will get, like, if you guys do sign up for TradeGPT, like, fair warning, you will get marketed Trade Algo's premium data flow tool, but you can use TradeGPT for free. It's 100% free. Like, everything I've done today on the stream wouldn't have costed you $1 to do. What are we doing JP Morgan right here, Donnie? Am I selling out? Am I getting out? No, I'll wait for it to take profit. Again, guys, I'm literally asking. Hold till 12:30. It's 12:45. Oh, you're in Central. So 1:30. No shorts. It gave me Apple. Get out of JPM. You sure, bro? I said I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I do not care what company it is. I do not want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis and recommendation. And then it gave me this Nvidia trade. So this is TRADEGPT, guys. This is not ChatGPT. This is not a ChatGPT plugin. This is Trade Algo's language model that's pulling data from Trade Algo's real-time market data feeds. Okay, so that's how I'm finding these trades. This is a free tool. Hold Nvidia. What up, Nikolai Tesla? How are you feeling, bro? We're gonna hit this. We're gonna hit this take profit. We're gonna hit this take profit, boys. I'll extend this line. It's been a rocky one, but we're still making money. Oh yeah, JP Morgan's cooking, boys. We're gonna hop out of JP Morgan as soon as it hits that take profit line. I did JP Morgan same way I did Nvidia. I just asked for a trade outside of the Mag 7. Hold the video, it's gonna go crazy. JP Morgan right here. Both of these are at a profit. We started the day at kind of a little standstill, like a little dance, but we're cooking. Yeah, just about. Are you talking about both trades? Let me see. Both trades. I'm up 291 on JP Morgan, and I'm up 522 on Nvidia. So I'm up $700 total today. I'll show you. I'll bring on the trades. These are both of my trades from today, guys. How did I find these? Again, I did not use ChatGPT. I used TRADEGPT. This is TRADEGPT. It's Trade Algo's language model. And I do this every day, right? I mean, this isn't just like a one and done thing. Like I'm very, very, very consistent about how I trade. What is life without TRADEGPT? Did you play ball today, Nikolai Tesla? Did you use TRADEGPT, Nikolai Tesla? What'd you use? Good shit, good shit, good shit, good shit. Regardless, doesn't matter if you use it or not. Yes, TRADEGPT is free. I'll post the link for you guys. What would you exit out of? Which one would you exit? JP Morgan? We're cripping. I'm gonna take profit on JP Morgan. And I'm about to take profit on Nvidia. This will just about be. Yeah, I'm gonna exit out of JP Morgan in like 5 seconds or like 10 seconds once it hits this exit price. Yeah, we'll do a trivia. We're gonna do Kahoot again. I gotta make money before I give you guys money. Yeah, I'm gonna hop out of JP Morgan and like, yeah, I'm hopping out now. I'm exiting out of JP Morgan right now. Closing. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Sell to close. Hold on, market. Market order. I'm out. Good game from a fucking friend. We're out, boys. We are out. We just filled it. We're filled. So JP Morgan, we're out. Good job. Good job, TRADEGPT. Why exit smooth the stop forward all the time? Nah, because I'm trying to pocket cash instead of be like that guy. I'm trying to keep it simple. JP Morgan's out, so now we're focused on the video. I'm at $612 on the video, so we made just about 300, and then when we hit this exit price, we'll be at 1,000 clean. No, that's the gambler's mindset, bro. I mean, that's where my discipline goes out the window, right? If I don't have, I mean, like I am a gambler and I am a degenerate. Like I'm not gonna take that away from myself. No. Yeah, I'm still in. I'm still in the video. I haven't exited out of the video yet. I'm still in. I'm still in. I wish I was using a demo account. Town day. I wish, bro. Or actually, I don't wish. I mean, I'm up 720. Wait forever. Shoot your shot. Bro, I mean, like, dude, it's a new thing every day. It's like now it's like I'm using a demo account. Now yesterday it's like a Squarespace link. It's a new thing every day. Dude, I just wanted to hit this take profit so I can. I'll be back on at 3 for sure. I'll be back on in 2 hours. Should I hold it till 3? What up, Vincent Joseph? You're just just a liar trying to market that company, and that's it. Bro, I haven't, like, you guys can go use TradeGPT. Yeah, I know. I won't be late. I won't be late. I'll make sure I'm on at 3. I know. I was on at like 3:40 yesterday. We're almost there. Can I choose not to use TradeGPT? Hold till 3. Should I hold this till 3? I mean, if I hit my take profit, I'm gonna exit out. I have like 5 minutes before I want to go grab like something to eat. I haven't eaten yet. So this is a real account and not a demo. I did that on one stream, and then someone grabbed my account number. You get you to 1K. Yeah, I'm getting to 1K, and I'm chilling, bro. It's the same, bro. It's like a new, like, what, I don't know what they call, it's like a new accusation every day, bro. I mean, at this point, it's like, bro, like, do whatever you, like, yeah, you guys can say whatever you want, or do whatever you want. I get a new accusation every stream. And I'm like, what's crazy is I'll literally, like, pull up the chart of Nvidia. I'll show you guys my entries. I'll show you guys my exits. And there's always like somebody. It's very obvious. Yeah, that was the message Joseph sent yesterday. And no, like I said, it's a new next accusation is your trans. I know. If it, okay, guys, I mean, like, I mean, like, you can let people say whatever you want, bro. I'm very blessed and very grateful to be able to pull up. The ETH he sent me is not fake.
Make sure you save. Make sure you hit save.
Viva La Gaming.
When I refresh, it should pop up.
Hallelujah. In front of the gun. Bro, watch it just shit itself right here. I'm up like 7%, I think. Let me see. Yeah, I'm up 7.6%. Or no, 6.45%. $642. Dude, a lot of these guys haven't even made money in trivia. They're all your soldiers here. These are my soldiers that they also love roasting me. Dude, angry because he can't win trivia. Nah, Viva La Gaming is good, bro. I mean, like, everyone's entitled to an accusation, bro. Like, I'm not here to trim. Should I trim on the video? Is that what you're gonna do, Johnny? Johnny, now look at Johnny. Johnny went from beginning and never traded before watching my stream to telling me to trim. I'm already out. Why are you out, bro? Are you just gonna let me shoulder this, bro? We'll love to help your viewers gain a further understanding of the market to help them in their trading careers. Yeah, Joseph, would you ever want to come on stream? Don't worry, I'm already reporting to the Securities Authority. I have enough information on you. He's not even, guys, let it, I mean, bro, you can, like, you have free will in the world. You can do whatever you want. Like, dude's just trying to get a reaction of me. Like, dude's, like, the only person who ever got a reaction of me was Jeet. This dude named Jeet. when Jeet told me from India, he was like from South India, told me that he wanted to challenge me to a trading battle. I was like, bro. Guys, let Viva La Gaming do his thing, man. I'm against scammers. Yeah, bro. I mean, like you said, you can do whatever you want, bro. I'm just a guy who's just using AI to trade. I haven't even I haven't even given you guys a link to TradeGPT. Like, I'm just sitting here on a Friday at 1 p.m. New York time. Barstool trying to come at you, dude. It would be sick. It'd be sick to be on Barstool. Viva La Gaming. All my streams are recorded, so every single stream I've ever done is on my channel live. So there's some help for you, if in case you need more information. What up, Ryan Domingo? Oh man, we're getting edged right on this take profit. I wish it just would go up. Hallelujah. You're at 7. I mean, show your recent profits. I show it all the time. I'll show it here in a second. We're gonna do some trivia. I have Nvidia pulled up. So it's not. So my AI is its own standalone language model. And this is like, these streams aren't necessary to promote it. It's just to show you guys what I do every day. So I ask TradeGPT. It's a language model that scans through real-time stock market information. And I say, I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I say, I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis and recommendation. Right. And then after I say that, yeah, so it's a language model. It's a language model it's not ChatGPT, guys. It's not ChatGPT plugin either. This is Trade Algo's language model that pulls from their data sources. Right, so it's not looking at the internet. It's looking at I also start every stream by saying that I'm just like, this is just what the language model is giving me. Viva La Gaming. Count as professional advice and you're not an advisor. And I also say I'm not an advisor. I mean, if you guys have been in here, I say it all the time. I'm not licensed. I'm literally just like, this is me following these trades. I tell you guys not to follow along. Guys, don't call him a cop, man. He's just he just like anybody else. He cares about, like, he wants to make sure that you guys aren't like getting scammed, right? And I mean, like, I don't tell you guys to buy my trades. In fact, I advise against trading like I do. All the time. I say, bro, I'm a degenerate, right? I'm doing market orders on every single trade position that I'm doing market orders that on all of these positions TradeGPT gives me. I say I'm a degenerate. I say I'm not licensed. Like, I say all this stuff, bro. Like I know that you're what you're saying is like very, very valid, right? But like, bro, I'm not. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm simply just letting you guys follow along and see what I do every day. It's a very coppish thing to say. Guys, give him a break. Give him a break. Viva La Gaming, he's literally just saying this because he cares about you guys. Like, it's okay. I'm not here to like you guys know, I mean, 99% of you guys don't follow my trades. It's just like that's just me what I'm doing. Like so when I tell you guys I'm filling at this, I'm not telling you guys to fill at this, and you guys all know this too. I think this might be one of Viva La Via's first streams. Oh shit, what's Nvidia at? I didn't even look. Yeah, it's like yeah, guys. I like he just cares about you guys. It's like there's always something new every stream. I've been in the world for 26 years, but like I've been decorated, and I've been scammed before. So, give Viva La Vida a break, guys. Don't call him a cop. Let him, just care and say what he wants to say. I'm not even gonna remove the user or ban him. Like you guys, like all of you guys are awesome. I love all of you guys. I'm just here because I enjoy being amongst traders. But I mean, how many times have you guys heard me say like don't trade like me? And I just say like, do I trade on anything else besides Webull? Yeah, I use Robinhood sometimes. I use Robinhood for like longer term positions only because the APY is fucking sick on Robinhood. If you guys qualified for Robinhood Gold, I would recommend taking a look at it. I wouldn't recommend doing anything, but Robinhood Gold is fucking sick, bro. You can like get mortgages and shit through Robinhood. No, it's fire. What made you decide on Webull? Just the simplicity. Why not Mumu? Mumu's cool. If you guys have been watching me for a long time, thank you. Mumu is poo-poo. Indian stock market as well. Here's another wake up. Here's another one wake up. Bro, like I said, bro, as my stream grows, you guys got to understand, as my stream grows and this is more and more successful, like this will happen more, right? But like I want you guys to understand, oh dude, this is going to start to go down. I should have exited out when you guys told me. 280 on the day. You think it's going to end on 280? I manage 250 million in assets. They're just bored. Yeah, it's all like I said, guys. They. I mean, like you will always have, like it's always gonna be like this. There's never gonna be like some perfect thing. I mean, this live is open for everybody to go in and do. I'm not going to like I'm not gonna like, yeah. It's just like everyone's entitled to their own opinion, bro. I'm focused on making. Don't worry, I'll report to the securities authority too. I mean, yeah, bro. Like best of luck, my friend. All my streams are recorded, so you should look through and get all the information you need. Nvidia should have been exited. Don, you just told me to hold till 3. I think because Viva La Gaming stopped talking in the chat, and then now we've got this guy named No Name. I'm like, my guess would be that Viva La Gaming hopped on his like secondary account. I'm on live right now. Yeah. Dude, I wanted to hit this extra so bad, bro. I'm so hungry. They're gonna be like everyday trader on YouTube is using a language model to trade. I mean, have I ever? I don't think I've ever told you guys to buy a position that I'm buying. I think I've always told you guys not to do that. Yeah, it's gonna hit, huh? You did not get muted. You did not get muted, no name. No name, you did not get muted. Hold on. Let's break this down really quick. You guys think this is the same dude? No, no one got muted. You guys think this is the same dude? Hold on, wait. Let's see. Yes, I want you guys to break this down. You guys think this is the same dude? Let's see if you guys think this is the same dude. You guys. Yesterday you did, and you put other people at risk. I didn't tell anyone to do my positions yesterday. My stream's recorded. It's like on public. Yeah. You guys think this is the same dude? And no, none of your accounts have been muted, bro. You have free speech. I'm never gonna take away your free speech, bro. Yeah, drop H's in the chat. Hey, are you here, Joseph? I'm about to go get lunch in Soho. Let's hit this exit price, no name. I'm up $900. Let's rock and roll, boys. I'm hungry as shit. I'm $50 away from this exit price. Joseph, hey, you want to email me, bro? We can grab Why do you think it's me? Now we're back for Viva La Gaming. I don't know, Viva La Gaming, something just about it. Yeah, there we go. Now they're talking back and forth. All right, we just hit our exit price, guys. Hey man, I'm never gonna take someone's free speech away, bro. We're in America, right? I'm not into silencing people. He got 2 phones. Yeah, guys, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Let bro. I'm exiting out of Nvidia. This is it. Donnie, Joseph, I'm out. You're entitled to say whatever you want, big dog. Like I said, I'm not the guy to give you any pushback, bro. I'm out, guys. I exited at like I'm filling right now on these orders, but this is gonna fill probably around like 7.2%. Guys, give him a break. Just full port, big dog. I should. Here's professional advice. I'm exiting Nvidia. I am leaving. Dude, I don't even yeah. I mean, like, Paul am doing this. It's a new thing every day. These guys are getting, yeah, I mean, like I said, it's never going to be, it'll never, guys, you'll never have you're just messed up from cannabis. There we go. Now the compliments are starting to roll in. No, this is what Viva La Gaming says. He said this is Sparta. Oh, are you serious? Yeah, that'd be so sick, Joseph Foreman. Yeah, Joseph, you want to send me an email? You want to send me an email? Yeah, I'm not, guys. Yeah, I'm not telling. I've never told anyone to. I've never told anyone to buy a position, right? Like Johnny, I've never told you to buy a position. I don't think I've ever told anyone to do anything. I mean, like, bro, I don't even know. Like, I'm not like, yeah, this is just sideline talk. I read every question from the chat, though. I'm never gonna stop doing that. But, like, I don't want you guys to think like I would ever like ignore you or like take away your free speech. I'm out, guys. I'm out of Nvidia. I'm out. Who here used TradeGPT and got money? I don't know, bro. You might not like the answer that people give you here. No name, because I think a lot of people have. Guys, yeah, I mean, I know. There's a reason I'm not. Like, there's a reason I'm like not tweaking. You guys can do whatever you want. Pretty sure, yeah. There's a pretty good amount of people that have. I know. Yeah. You told me. I remember Joseph. Joseph is the GOAT. Okay, dude, end early and come back at 3. Don't drag. All right, yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna dip out. I'll see you guys in 2 hours. Hopefully we get the boys back in here. We'll do trivia at 3. I'm hungry as shit, guys. We went way longer than I usually do in the morning. I got you guys. Yes, run away. I'm back at 3. No name. I'm back at 3. Okay. I'm back at 3. All right, guys. This has been late. This is a good stream. We made $950. I'm at 950. I'm at 950, guys. That's what I walked away with today. Hey, guys, I mean, let anyone guys, don't. You guys are literally the goats for defending me, but like I said, it's like it is what it is, man. I'm not going to. Why are they saying it's a scam? Because everyone's entitled to say what they want to say, right? But I don't give you I don't tell you guys to do anything. I just whatever. Joseph, let's connect, bro. Let's connect. You're down in MD, so I use Weeble. And I used Robinhood for some long-term stuff. It really looks too good to be true. Yeah, PvP Global. I mean, that's the first reaction that people say. But like I said, I want you guys to emphasize something. 7.66%. If you start with $100 and you make 7.66%, you literally made $7, right? So I mean, just understand that you have to start somewhere. But yeah, how's everybody feeling? We good to wrap up here, and then I'll come back at 3, like around 3, Johnny, like maybe like a little after 3. The real user and that their claim is not true. Can you show that this is a real user and that the claim is not true? Yeah, I mean, what do you mean by that? PvP Global. I show my entries. I show all that, but like what like the most important thing for you guys to understand is I'm not giving you guys advice, right? I'm not telling you guys to do anything. I just let you guys kind of in on my trading day every day. Like 3.4, like yeah, maybe like 3.1. And the demo and the regular trading platform, I mean, they're basically identical except for the little PM in the top corner. No, it's not gonna be 340. It'll be way earlier than 340. Trading is actually war. Traders fight each other. Yeah, I know. Guys, like I said, like it's more fun for me. Like this is like the stimulation that I get to have. I've already made enough money. It's time to like be involved in the community. You know what I mean? So you're gonna get stuff like this all the time. I was prepared for this when I started streaming. All right, guys. I'll be back at 3. This has been lit. Thank you, guys. God bless. And I'll be back on. Yeah, I mean, I show all my trades, bro. I show all my trades, right? So come back tomorrow morning when I'm placing trades again, and you guys will see. You guys will see me. I mean, my entries and my exits, everything. On my account, PvP Global. So, let me go get something to eat, and then I'll be back in. Like an hour and a half. Okay. No, I'm gonna do trivia tonight. I'm gonna do a Kahoot game tonight, but this is. I mean, I made my 1,000. It's just it was way longer than I thought. I'll do trivia tonight. I'll give away some extra money for you guys tonight because I'm ending right now. But yeah, hop back on at 3, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I mean, I just show it all the time. Like, I'm not going to jump when you say jump, right? Because I justify myself enough. Like, I'm not worried about PvP Global, I guess. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like PvP Global, like, you're only showing part of the screen. It's always something new, bro. It's literally always something new. All right, I'll be back at 3. And we can go through all this. I'm starving. It's not related. They made a claim. Like I said, guys, I do it all the time. I'll hop back on later today. Please answer this message in writing. You can reach out to me. All right, guys, I gotta go eat. I'll respond to PvP Global at 3. But I show it all the time, bro. I mean, like, we hit our exit on the video. We're out.